Welcome to Vivero Growers Nursery. I'm Brandon.
And I'm Brandon.
All right, today's exciting topic, fall. Fall's right around the corner, and we're excited to talk about all the plantings and things that you can do in the fall.
Yes, it's a great time to be in the garden. Feels great. You get to pick from a whole new range of fall bloomers to add that nice touch to your garden.
Yeah, and then you also can reflect. This summer, do you have an area where you wanted a little more shade? Yeah, get that tree in. Do you got the pool in or the back patio and you all of a sudden notice you're a little too close to the neighbor? Maybe put in that privacy shrub.
Yes, so start planning the garden, get all your stuff ready, come and see us at Vivero. Even watch out for our video on fall bloomers next week, and we'll get you prepared.
All right, thank you.